Well, hello everybody. I am Spegtacular, the Silver Stacular, and I recently gave my viewers the advice of when silver and gold become boring, that is going to be your best opportunity to get in. Well, the market has become a slow building avalanche downwards. Metals, stock market, cryptocurrencies, they're going down right now. A lot of red out there. Opportunity is knocking right now. But wait. Prices are going down and there's a risk of a new COVID variant. Why is now a good time to invest? That's what you're wondering, right? Well, first of all, we got through the most chaotic time of COVID-19, right? The original COVID-19. And look what happened to the markets, right? Skyrocketed after that. I was buying stock at all-time lows during the original COVID-19 scare, and silver and gold at decades lows, only to bounce back to incredibly high numbers. Now you're going to tell me a little variation of the original COVID is going to scare investors that much? Come on now. Come on, it's not happening. Now these little hiccups in the road should have you filling your watch list with tons of ticker symbols and eyeballing your next purchase of silver and gold. That's what you should be doing. One way or another, if prices keep going down, investors will need a safe haven. And historically, that has been silver and gold. Now, what happens when metal prices go up, right? They start to come back. Well, here is a speculative play that has a huge reward potential. Let me introduce you to a stock that is currently in my watch closely list, Prospect Gold Resources Corporation. Of course, you know by now that I'm not a financial advisor, and I highly encourage you to do your own research when investing in anything. I'll have information in the description of this video where you can easily click a link to go to Prospect Ridge Resources website and also easily see their stock ticker symbols, which I'll talk more about shortly. Also, a big thank you from me to Prospect Ridge Resources Corporation for sponsoring this video. Okay, I'm going to read some info in their words for you from their website. Strategic mineral exploration. Now we focus, Prospect Ridge Resources Corporation, we focus on the acquisition, exploration, and development of precious metals projects in North America. Prospect Ridge Resources Corporation is a BC-based exploration and development company focused on strategic mineral exploration in Canada, concurrently with developing a location in Quebec and British Columbia. Management plans to continue exploring new high-grade mineralized zones while continuing to explore the areas showing exciting potential. Now, we talked about a dip in prices, which is happening right now. And even my blue chip stocks are posting, some rough news causing them to dive their share prices lower. I'm not scared. I'm holding on. But however, Prospect Ridge Resources, interestingly enough, has some pretty good news all across their stock information, and the prices have seen a slight dip. Now, why is that? Well, generally, these miners follow the trend of metal prices since, they're exploring for and mining metals. So this may be a good opportunity to pick up some pieces of these undervalued companies. Their stock ticker symbol in the OTC markets, PRRSF, currently trades at just over $1 a share, making it an easy investment to get involved in. $1 a share. Prospect Ridge Resources has two projects, which are, I think, big news. The size of these locations are massive, especially the one, and I'm going to talk about that in a second, with one of the projects known as the Holy Grail. Okay, so it must be good if it's called the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail project has 12 past-producing silver and gold mines within its boundaries, so precious metals are proven in the area. The Holy Grail is also located conveniently near roadways, making it accessible when work begins. That's right, drilling may begin as soon as the snow in the area begins to melt. And the people that work for Prospect Ridge Resources are very excited about this time. And once news of drilling discoveries begin to flood Prospect Ridge Resources news feeds, good luck getting this at just $1 again. Okay, good luck. Also, neighboring companies that are close to the Holy Grail have been quite successful in their findings, and so there's no secret there's a strong presence of precious metals that exist in the area. Their second project is named the Galene project, I might say that wrong, Galani, which boasts 15 contiguous mineral claims within its area. So now Prospect Ridge Resources Corporation has a solid management team with a slight twist. It has to do with their CEO and director, Michael Iverson, who has come out of retirement as he believes there is a significant metals deposit below Prospect Ridge Resources projects. Now, Michael Iverson has decades of executive experience, around 30 years, I believe. No big deal, right? And has helped in leadership role with other companies as well. And beyond Michael Iverson, the team with Prospect Ridge Resources has a great wealth of experience, and many are also invested in the company as they too believe in it. Michael Iverson himself owns millions of shares. I think it's around 6 million shares that he owns as of now. It could be a little bit more than that, could be a little less, but close to that. And he has his eyes on the prize, does he not? I mean, he believes in his own company enough that he's willing to put that much of an investment in it. That's big in my eyes. Now, Prospect Ridge Resources have shown to have zero debt, so it's full steam ahead for future profits for them. Now, listen, at the very least, add Prospect Ridge Resources Corporation to your watch list with their ticker symbol PRRSF in the OTC markets, which again, I'll add down below the videos so you can't possibly forget it. You can just see it right there at a glance. Now, there's been several moments where investors have wished they could have gotten into the market. And most recent was in 2019. And I'm wondering if this possibly right now is the next coulda, shoulda, woulda, type of moment for investors who wanted to, quote, wait and see, unquote. Personally, I've been throwing money into the stock market every single paycheck, little by little. But maybe I'm crazy. Either way, I've given you a little something to think about there in Prospect Ridge Resources Corporation. And I encourage you to visit their website where they also list some contact info if you need to reach out to them, ask them any other questions. Do your own research, as I always suggest, of course. And thank you so much for watching this video. I've got to go for now, though. Spegtacular is out.